Have you heard? Hogwarts lost in London.
Not necessarily in that order. Thanks.
We'll have to sneak you out of the class and down to the pitch, and we reckon the best way of doing that is to fly you back.
All you have to do is follow me to the department, and I'll back to you. Of course, we'll leave you the magic.
If I weren't so busy, I'd ask some of you to carry my picture down to the stands.
I will continue to acquaint you with the unique and magical specifications of enchanted rings.
If you start to score, you must be more than goblin-sized. 48 inches. Now rid yourself of objects. My poke or scratch, or folds. Take jewelry, cell phones, orders, change, and stow them, one and all. To keep your treasures safe and sound. Smart lockers are supplied. Gringotts made a missing gift for all you bring to have. Now, warning, do not ride if flying makes you queasy. If pregnant or a sore in back or neck, then leave. It's easy. You travel far. You're very near. The waiting has been long, but smoking, drinking, eating, while the time. There you are. Now, thank you for listening. My safety lesson's done. We hope you live to tell the tale. And most of all,
Sorry about that.
Tuck your elbows in. Oh, and don't forget to retrieve your stowed belongings, lest you want them compassed.
I'm T-posing in front of your chair and wondering if I can chat. Let's just all go out and a water bottle. How do you go from small to medium? Small to medium. Look, they're the same thing. This is just meant for